If you have 15 seconds to spend on social media today, I'm going to show you how you can take that time to promote your content, to generate leads, and to close more sales into your business so you can spend the rest of your day doing whatever you want. That sounds like something you'd be into. You're going to want to stick around and watch this video. Hi, I'm Lindsay, Sewell, and I teach home business owners, coaches, and content creators how to create more leverage in your business, attract your ideal clients with ease so that you can create the time and financial freedom that you deserve. And today we're going to talk about one of my absolute favorite time leverage strategies called Facebook stories. Now, the reason why I love Facebook stories so much is that I'm a mom of two young kids. So I don't always have a ton of time to jump on and do a longer YouTube video or a longer Facebook Live, or even to get on the phone with my potential prospects. So using 15-second Facebook stories, I am able to sift and sort through the most interested leads for my business and get more eyeballs in front of that longer form content, repurpose content, and generate more sales into my business. And today, I'm going to show you how you can do that by promoting the content that you've already created on your other platforms. So a lot of people think that Facebook stories are just for kids, or they're just for showing people what you ate that day or what exercise you're doing or silly behind the scenes things. But what they're lacking in that strategy is that they can actually showcase their thought leadership, their knowledge, and repurpose their longer form content to get more eyeballs in front of that really good content that has really good, strong calls to action and actually generates sales for you while you sleep. So what am I talking about? Well, look over here to this photo where I am using a Facebook story to promote a YouTube video that I created. So I go ahead, I upload my YouTube video, and then within a few days, after it's lost the juice from the YouTube algorithm, I will go ahead and promote it in my Facebook stories so that more people will see it and more people will go ahead and watch that content where I'm promoting services and tools and coaching and all the things that I have for offer in my program. So you can continue to keep people seeing your content longer term. The other thing that you can do is you can connect your Facebook account with your Instagram account. So if you have a business Instagram account, you can connect that with Facebook and you can automatically cross post. So every time I post in my Facebook stories, it automatically goes over to my Instagram stories as well. So I'm killing two birds with one stone, more eyeballs instantly every single day. Now, outside of Instagram stories, you can also promote your Facebook story content on this Instagram Reels. So if you look at this image, this is a screenshot of my Instagram Reels. And you can see in that top photo, that Instagram Reel had over 2,000 views. That Reel, by the way, was promoting a YouTube video that I did earlier that week. So again, I'm all about repurposing content. I'm all about cross promotion. With that Instagram Reel, that was a 30-second video. I uploaded that to my Reels. I promoted my YouTube video, so I got more eyeballs on that YouTube video. Then I took that Instagram Reel and I cut it down into 15-second chunks so that I could also post it on my Facebook stories. This had twofold reason. One, I got more eyeballs in front of that content to go watch the YouTube video. But I also was able to drive people over to my Instagram account and repurpose the reel that I'd already done. So I'm using this content in multiple places to make my job easier, to get more people seeing my content where I have calls to action that will allow them to either buy something that I have to offer or get on my email list or book a call with me, whatever it is that you want to promote. You can drive people back to that content. Same with the Facebook Live. You can have a Facebook Live, and if after 24 hours that Facebook Live is pretty much going to be dead in the feed. Nobody's going to see it, nobody's going to find it. But if you use your Instagram or Facebook stories to drive people back to that Facebook Live, you can then get new, fresh eyeballs on it. You can get new comments, which will push it up into people's feeds again, and the algorithm will start serving that content to more people, a bigger audience, and you are going to get more leads and make more sales in your business. Now, last but not least, this wouldn't be a conversation complete without talking about TikTok. So here's an example of one of my TikTok videos. What's really neat about TikTok is you can go ahead and you can download the video right before you post it on TikTok, and then you can turn around and you can upload that over to your Facebook stories. So again, not only are you able to repurpose that content, but you can take your TikTok content with its branded TikTok logo, post it over in your Facebook stories, and subconsciously let people know that they should be over there checking you out on your TikTok channel. So now you appear to be in all the different places online. You appear to be everywhere to people. You are omnipresent, and you are going to be top of mind when they are ready to buy. And that's really the name of the game. You need to stay in the game long enough so that when your ideal clients and customers are ready to buy, you're the one that's top of mind. So if you want to grab my top apps for Facebook and Instagram stories, go ahead, click the first link below in the description. Make sure you subscribe to this channel so you never miss out on any of my videos. And I will see you in the next video.